So I'm currently at work at one of our job sites doing a T&I. It's first Wednesday of the month, which means it's time for Cobb County's monthly Tornado Siren Test. We're about 30 seconds from noon. I have no clue where the nearest one is, so I'm either going to get really scared or not. We'll find out shortly. 10 seconds. There they go. Oh, it looks like there's one right here at this job site, if I'm hearing right. Y'all should have been with me when they did last month's test. I was at another job site, and I was like 200 feet in front of one and didn't realize it was there. And like I was in direct line of it, like within 200 feet, and it sounded and scared the crap out of me. I had no ear protection on. Cobb County tests its sirens for about 3 minutes, and they do it weather permitting on the first Wednesday of each month. And it is sunny as can be today with just a few clouds, so it's perfect for it. Yeah, the one I'm hearing is right over there somewhere. Should be shutting down here in just a second. Coming up on 3 minutes. There they go. Still one off in the distance. It's over that way somewhere. And it just went down. Well, there you go, the June 2023 Cobb County Tornado Siren Test ambience.